Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this video we will discuss how to customize your footer section like previous, pause or finish section. Okay, so here it is. I have to is use two screen flow. First is display flow stages by screen flow, then your academy details. When I click on this run button, you will see the footer section here, the next and finish and previous. I want to customize this button, that is previous means admins back, finish is save and exit, and in this next is also I want to customize the footer section. How will I do this? Okay, so I click on this first screen and scroll down. Here is a footer section. Click on this footer section, scroll down. Here it is configure footer. Select this, open this, then use a custom label, that is first next or finish. So select next. Okay, and in the previous button, nothing to be previous because skip no one is before the first screen. Okay, so it is not here needed. Use a standard label, and it's a use a custom label, that is pause button. It is save and continue later. Okay, coming to next screen, click on this screen and go to footer section, configure footer, and use a custom label for the save and exit. Previous button, it means back, and here is the customize. Your previous should be customized as back. Okay, and the pause button, use a custom label and save and continue later. Okay, click save. Okay, so click on this run. You will see my footer section has to be customized. First is next, save and exit and back. You will see that you will now see the pause button, your save and continue later. Here is not I'm so showing. See, here is a foot in the footer section is a save and continue later. It is not showing in the footer section when I run on this, because you have to enable this. Go to the home tab and search process automation settings. Here it is. Click on this process automation settings and let user pause flows. Select this, save. Okay, click run again. You will see that save and continue later button will be enabled. Okay, and the next when you click on next, here the button should be customized, save and exit, back, save and continue later. Your standard level should be customized as a custom button like this. Okay, this is how you can do like this. I hope you will like this video. Please hit like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the future updates. Thank you guys.